Hello students, I am Mrs. Pooja Dhomne from Srimati G.G. Sada English Primary School. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 11 in the world of dictionary. Students, in this lesson I am going to explain you about the meaning of dictionary, advantages of dictionary, types of dictionary, and also how to prepare a dictionary. So let's start. We often come across the unfamiliar words when we read newspaper, magazines or stories. We hear new and difficult words when we watch TV. How do we find these words? In class, teacher is always available there to tell us the meaning of new and difficult word. At home, elderly person helps you, but this is not possible all the time. All grown-up people don't know the meaning of new, hard, difficult word because language contains thousands of words. So it is not possible. Then how we find such difficult word? Someone refers you to find a word in a dictionary. Then what the dictionary means? Today I am going to explain you the meaning of dictionary. Dictionary means a book in which words are listed in alphabetical order from A to Z. Words, a book in which words are arranged in alphabetical order from A to Z. Some dictionary also tells the meaning of word in another language. For example, if we refer English to English and Hindi dictionary, you will get the meaning in English and Hindi also. If you are going to refer a dictionary English to English and Marathi, then you get the meaning of word in English as well as in Marathi also. So students, this is the meaning of dictionary. You can search the word which starts from letter A in A alphabetical words and B in B alphabetical words and so on. So this is the meaning of dictionary. Now let's see the advantages of dictionary. Dictionary usually arranged in alphabetical order. It tells us the word meanings. Dictionary shows how word is spelled, means it shows the spelling of a word. Dictionary tells us how the word is pronounced, how the word is read. Dictionary shows us different forms of word. For example, if I take a word go, what are the other forms of go? Go, going, went, gone. Dictionary also tells us how word is used in a sentence. Then dictionary lists many words and its related phrases. For example, if I take a word an apple, apple means fleshy, round, red colored fruit. Then what is the phrase related with this word? An apple of one eye means someone's favorite person. An apple of one eye means someone's favorite person. Dictionary also points out the different meaning of the word having same spelling. Dictionary also points out the different meaning of the word having same spelling. For example, watch, W-A-T-C-H, watch means to see, and this is also a watch. Watch means clock. Such words are also called as homonyms. Then dictionary also tells us a grammatical class of a word. For example, if I take a word jump, jump is an action word. Jump is an action word. So, in the dictionary, V, that is for verb, is written over in front of the word jump. So, students, these all are the advantages of a dictionary. So, now let's see the types of dictionary, because all dictionaries are not same. Depending upon the use of a person, dictionaries are arranged and prepared. So, there are few dictionaries are here. Types of dictionaries. First one is children's dictionary. See this. This is a children's dictionary. These dictionaries are specially made for students, kids, children. In this dictionary also includes word puzzles, games also. Then second is pronouncing dictionary. In this dictionary, pronunciation of the word is given with the help of some symbols. Then third one is synonyms dictionary. In this dictionary, synonyms means meanings. Meanings of the word is given. So it also includes antonyms, that is opposites of the word given. Then visual dictionary. Visual dictionary, in this visuals, pictures or diagrams are given. These diagrams are well labeled, so no need to give an explanation of a word. For example, if you see visuals of parts of plant, then this diagram of parts of plant is properly labeled. Then encyclopedic dictionary. Students, what do you mean by encyclopedia? It is a book in which lots of information on different topics is given. So, this is a encyclopedia. In encyclopedic dictionary, many words in which different information of that word is given. This book, encyclopedic dictionary, is quite big, quite thick. Then online dictionary. On your computer or mobile, such type of dictionaries are available. If you want to search a word, you have to just type that word and instantly it gives you a use of the word, pronunciation and the meaning. The most important advantage of this online dictionary is you can listen the pronunciation of the word as shown in this video.
Stag. Stag.
Stag.
So, in online dictionary, you can listen the pronunciation. A printed dictionary cannot do these things. In printed dictionary, you can only read the pronunciation but cannot listen. So, students, these all are the types of dictionaries. Now, a dictionary is must for a students. So, if you come across the unfamiliar word, don't get upset. Just look up at it in a dictionary. First you start the simpler dictionary, then the difficult one. Students, today I am also going to tell you how to prepare a dictionary. Use the cards of having same size and of same color, or you can also use the different color also, and arrange it alphabetically. And on the letter A alphabet, write down the meanings of letter or word which starts from A. And on B, write down the meanings words which starts from the B alphabets. In this way, you can easily make your own dictionaries too. Students, I hope you understood about the meaning of dictionary. advantages of dictionary, types of dictionary, and how to prepare your own dictionary. So, I hope next time you will find out the meaning of any difficult word easily in a dictionary. Thank you.